Ultrasnap detects residual amounts of adenosine-triphosphate on surfaces as an indication of surface cleanliness. The device is designed for use with either Ensure or System Sure Plus luminometers. A liquid-stable chemistry eliminates the need for lyophilized pellets, enabling consistent and accurate results. Patented snap valve technology makes activation and mixing effortless. The pre-moistened swab bud maximizes sample collection and recovery. Ultrasnap has a shelf life of 15 months at refrigerated temperatures and 4 weeks at room temperature. The materials you will need include an Ultrasnap test device and either a System Sure Plus or Ensure luminometer. Ultrasnap is a 3-step process. The first step is collection. Remove the swab from the tube. Swab a 4x4 inch or 10x10 centimeter square area in a crisscross pattern, swabbing the area with even coverage. Apply sufficient pressure to create flex in the swab shaft. This maximizes sample collection to improve the accuracy of test results. Be sure not to touch the swab shaft when collecting sample. Touching the swab shaft contaminates the test and will produce inaccurate results. Rotate the swab tip while collecting sample to ensure maximum sample recovery. As you can see in this image, rotating the swab ensures the entire swab tip picks up sample, resulting in more accurate results. When swabbing an irregular surface, ensure the swabbing technique remains consistent and swab a large enough area to collect a representative sample. Replace the swab in the tube. Ultrasnap may remain unactivated in this state for up to 4 hours. The second step is activation. Turn on the luminometer. If you've programmed locations, select the location to be tested. The easiest way to activate Ultrasnap is to hold the device in your fist and use the thumb and forefinger to break the snap valve by bending the bulb forward and backward. Next, squeeze the bulb twice to expel liquid into the tube. Then shake for 5 seconds. The third step is measurement. Insert the swab into the reed chamber and close the lid. Hold the luminometer upright and press OK to initiate measurement. Results will be displayed in 15 seconds.